Hi, my name is Dr. Robert Bray, and I want to take just a couple minutes to show you how to use thought field therapy to help you with your overwhelming emotion associated with traumatic stress recovery. So simply start by thinking about an event from the past that has a history of upsetting you, or be aware of something that you've been triggered, and feel the upset in your body. And rate that upset 1 to 10, 1 being no upset at all, and 10 being the worst you can imagine. Now, once you are aware of what's going on inside of your body, we begin tapping. And you start by tapping on the side of your hand, where you'd throw a karate chop. Now tap under the nose on the upper lip. And we're tapping on meridian treatment points using acupuncture and acupressure. Now tap at the beginning of the eyebrow, either side. Now tap under the eye, right on the bone. We're tapping a half a dozen to a dozen times in every point. And now tap under your arm in the middle of your rib cage, about 4 inches down from your armpit. Now tap underneath the collarbone, and you find that by going to the notch in your throat. Go down an inch and over an inch to either side, and tap there. Now tap on your index finger between the last knuckle and the bed of the nail, slightly towards the thumb. Tap again under the collarbone. Tap on the little finger. Very good. Now tap underneath the collarbone. Now we're going to do the 9 gamut series. So we find the gamut spot by going between these 2 small knuckles, go down about a half an inch, and you keep tapping while we do 9 things. Close your eyes for a moment. Open your eyes. With your eyes, look down into the left. With your eyes, look down into the right. Now you're going to whirl your eyes all the way from the floor to the side, to the ceiling, to the other side, to the floor again. Now whirl your eyes all the way around again in the other direction. Good. Now hum a couple of bars of any tune. Now count out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then hum again anything. Now we're going to repeat the tapping. We started with tapping the side of your hand. Tap under your nose. Beginning of the eyebrow. Tap under your eye. And then you can tap under your arm, and you can tap this way if it's easier for you. Then tap under the collarbone, index finger, collarbone, little finger, collarbone. Okay, now stop and bring up whatever memory you were concentrating on before, or whatever you were feeling upset by, and notice what you're feeling in your body now, and rate that again 1 to 10. And just notice what the change is. We expect that the change is going to be an improvement, going from, say, an 8 or a 9 to a 4 or a 5, or maybe all the way down to a 1. If that number is dropping, and you simply repeat the pattern we've just done, play it over again and do it again, and you can do that until you get to a 1, or until you get to a point where it's not dropping anymore. If it's not dropping anymore, it hasn't dropped for you at all, it simply means that you need another TFT technique, or you need a more advanced thought field technique. But there is help for you. This is the most basic technique that we use in helping people with traumatic stress. So please, if you need some help with it, give me a call, give me an email, and let me know how it's going for you. And just try it. This has been done tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of times over the last 20 years. And the tapping itself never hurts anybody. Either it's going to help you, or it's going to do nothing at all. So it's worth trying. So give it a try. Let me know how you do with it. Good luck.